Hi guys, welcome to the review of Google Pixel 6a, so let's get started. The Google Pixel 6a takes core of the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro and repackages them into something more affordable, while still keeping the design and upgraded Google Tensor chipset, and it brings the same 12.2 megapixel main camera from past models. With these updates, does the Pixel 6a do enough to stand in competitors? Let's find out in our full review. Let's start with the design. The back panel is made from plastic, but you might be surprised that the camera bar is also made of plastic and the frame is aluminum. The Pixel 6a has a Ip67 resistance against water and dust. The screen of the phone is 6.1-inch OLED display with Ultra HD resolution and HDR10+ support. So the content looks great, it's very sharp and bright with excellent colors. We regularly see a high refresh rate, but in this price range the Pixel 6a comes with 60 Hz. Now on to the brightness. We estimated a limit of 505 nits with the manual slider, and this can boost up to 876 nits in auto mode when in bright sun. Haptic feedback has improved over the Pixel 5a, but the haptic motors are same kind that Google used in more expensive Pixel 6 Pro. You open and unlock the phone with the help of under-display fingerprint reader. It's quick and reliable. For sound, the Pixel 6a has a pair of stereo speakers, one bottom firing and one top firing. The loudness and the sound quality is great in our loudness test. The interface of the Pixel 6a is based on Android 13. It will come with Android 12 out of the box, but after some time you get an update or Android 13. The Android 13 refines everything from Android 12. The Pixel 6a comes with same Google Tensor chipset. That is equipped with the more costly Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. For the mid-range, this is a fast and powerful chipset compared to the Snapdragon 888. We had a few reservations about playing games on the Tensor chipset. During heavy gamings we found some thermal throttling here. The Pixel 6a comes with large 4410 mAh battery. Battery life is great, it scored 94 hours endurance rating in our battery tests. The charger doesn't comes in the box, but using Google's 18-watt adapter we were able to charge the phone from 0 to 42% in 30 minutes, and full charge take 2 hours. The Pixel 6a comes with dual 12.2 megapixel sensors for its main and ultra-wide cameras. We will see these cameras from Google for years, but Google can improve performance by the software. These camera takes very decent photos. There's a lot of detail, low noise, great sharpness, accurate colors, great contrast and wide dynamic range. There's also a 2x zoom switch in the viewfinder, but this is a digital zoom from the main camera and the shot is upscaled to 12 megapixels. The pictures look perfect, but you notice some softness if you pick up to close. Portrait shots are great. There's great subject separation and sharpness, but its accuracy not still consistent. Ultra-wide shots are perfect. There's great contrast, vivid colors and wide dynamic range. On the selfie camera, selfies are great with a lots of detail, low noise, accurate colors, great contrast and wide dynamic range. Portrait selfies looks great, although we saw a few issues with the subject separation in our testing. The Pixel 6a can record 4K video at up to 60 FPS. Video looks sharp with accurate colors and wide dynamic range. Footage from the ultra-wide camera is well exposed and low noise. So that is the Pixel 6a. Like last year, you still get an exceptional Pixel phone at a more affordable price with a great stereo speakers, a dual camera arrangement, more compact size and a fast under-display fingerprint reader. But the issue is that there's no charger comes in the box. The Pixel 6a is a solid all-around the smartphones with great cameras, improved performance and security updates from Google through 2027. So guys, at $449 the Pixel 6a is a great value and we give it our solid recommendation. So, thanks you all for watching and make sure to subscribe. See you on the next one.